everybody, how's it going? I am back with another package opening. Actually, I feel really spoiled this week, but as some of you may know, I was one of the winners of Stephenies Petcare contest, in which we had to provide a name for her two new hamsters, and she picked mine, which was Gemma, but she shortened it to Gem, as one of the winners. So I was really excited because last night I got home from running and in the front door was this package that must have been dropped off during the day and I didn't notice, and it's been killing me because it wasn't until it was dark last night that I found this package, and I promised that I would open it on camera. So it's been sitting here all night until we had daylight again to film. So it's 10 to 7 on a Saturday morning and I'm awake because I'm so excited. So let's have a look at what's inside. Okay, so I've just taken everything out of the envelope and she has very nicely wrapped everything. And there looks like there's a letter and a card and a cat. Callie, get out of there. Those are my prezzies. Come here. So Stephenie has sent us this beautiful card. She's so creative. I was telling her I'm going to have to start stepping up my contest prizes. And it's got this beautiful flower and a little bunny that's kind of popped up. It's like a 3D rabbit off of the card, and at the bottom here it says especially for you, and on the inside it says, to Budget Bunny, thank you for naming Gem and for supporting my channel. Love, Steph and all the furries. And it also says, I hope everything arrives safely in one piece. Hope you like all your prizes. So thank you, Steph. I know that we're going to. I am very excited. So let's start opening all of the goodies. I wasn't sure what to open first, so I'm going to start with this one here, and it says it's a surprise for your furries. So inside that package was lots of goodies, including this wooden chew block, this size little carrot toy. All of these little goodies, they look kind of like those little drops, little treats for the small pets. And then some of this, which I know she makes toys out of. It's, I can't remember what it's called. It's like a bird rope though that they make bird toys out of, but it's great for bunnies as well and guinea pigs. So I'm definitely going to be cutting this up and making some toys from it. And she also sent us some of a natural color as well, so I'm really excited about that. I love DIY toys, as you guys probably know from my blog. So the next parcel I'm going to open is this one here. It's nicely wrapped in this adorable paper. And inside this package, for lots of delicious looking sweets, we've got some gummies and some chocolate, Melody Pops, and some Fruitella. So thank you so much, Steph. These look really yummy. And finally, I'm going to open this little package. This is nicely wrapped and it looks like it's got this really cute cupcake scrapbook paper. And it says, to Budget Bunny. Oh, and it's also got this adorable little paper flower and some jewels on it. And inside that beautifully decorated bag was this ladybug wooden toys from trees toy. I know that the pets are going to love this. I love all the wooden toys, especially because Honey is such a huge chewer. So I know they're going to go over well at our house. We also got one of these little chews here. There's also one of these adorable crocodile chews, which Chandler just loves. He goes crazy for, so I'm really excited that I got another one of these for him. I absolutely love this. It's a Boredom Breaker Woody's Caterpillar toy. Isn't that cute? I also love, I was so excited that I won this contest because you guys have such cool stuff in the UK that we don't have here, so I'm really excited about this little guy. Next we have this really cute wooden chew. It looks like a lollipop, and it's from Hop, Nibble, and Squeak, I believe. They do a whole bunch of different kinds of wood chews and hidey houses and different little ramps and things like that, and they use all natural wood and then pet safe paint. So I'm really excited about this. Is that not the cutest thing? They have really cute products. You guys should check them out. I knew I was getting this, but I am so excited. This is also from Hop, Nibble, and Squeak, and look, it's a little cupcake, and it's made out of wooden popsicle sticks, it looks like, and then it's got a sisal top with a little wood heart chew, and it looks like a little cupcake. I just love this. I think it is so cute, and I know that the bunnies are going to love this. So thank you so much to Stephenies Petcare for holding this contest. If you haven't already checked out her YouTube channel, please do so. She's got excellent videos on rabbit care, gerbil care, and hamster care. Oh, there's a cat in the background again. And yeah, so her channel is absolutely awesome. Thank you again for all of these awesome gifts, Stephenie. Everything arrived here from the UK safe and sound, and I can't wait to give them to all the critters. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.